Now children, today it starts with chapter number 16, that is weather and season. So in this chapter, we will start with the weather and season. What is weather? It is day to day changes. जो भी day to day changes होते हैं हमारे atmospheric condition में, it is called weather. What is climate? When your क्या होता है जब आपका जो मौसम है जो atmospheric, what is climate? When the temperature, when the season, जो आपके जो climatic condition है वो same रहती है for the long period of the time, it is known as climate. So weather of the place keeps changing. It may change during same day or over few days. Sometimes it's sunny and sometimes it's cloudy, while sometimes it is cold and windy. Change in weather is caused by what condition of sun, wind, clouds and rain. So look at the picture here: sunny day, cloudy day, cold day, rainy day. Then we have season. So we have got sunny, cloudy, windy or rainy. When we have same weather for a long time, उसको हम season कहते हैं. Season is the time of each year when one type of weather stays for many days or month. Basically, we have 5 different seasons. Summer, which is the hot season. Winter, which is the cold season. Monsoon, rainy season हो गया. Then we have autumn. इसको हम when the leaves falls off the trees. Spring season कौन सा season होता है जब flower bloom करते हैं. It's very pleasant season and different types of flowers, fruits and plants are born. Right? And we wear different types of clothes and we eat different types of food according to the different season. So first is your winter season. Cold winter है, woolen clothes पहनते हैं. It keeps us warm. Basically, we drink hot like tea, coffee, soup in the winter season. We use water geyser, room heater and comfort us. Then we have spring season when new flower blooms. Beautiful flowers bloom during the spring. New leaves grow on trees. Our weather is very pleasant in spring season. ना तो ज़्यादा hot होता है, ना ही ज़्यादा cold होता है. Right? Then we have summer season. It is very hot in summer. Sun shine brightly in the sky. We wear cotton clothes to keep ourselves cool. हम fans, cooler, air conditioner, etc. इनका use करते हैं. Hot winds, लू जो होती है वो noon time में चलती है. We like to drink cold drinks and eat ice creams and juicy fruits during the season. Then we have monsoon season. So in monsoon season, it rains the most. And the sky in this season is covered with dark clouds. We wear raincoats, gumboots or take an umbrella. We can hear thunder and see lightning in the sky. Sometimes we also see rainbow in the sky after the rain is over. देखा ना कभी कभी आप बारिश बंद होने के बाद रेनबो भी दिखाई देता है. Now the rain are important for growing crop. Without rains the crop gets drier. अगर रेन नहीं होती है जो आपके क्रॉप्स है वो ड्राई अप हो जाते हैं. Autumn. In autumn, the weather is neither hot nor cold. Most of the trees shed their leaves during autumn and the weather जो होती है वो क्या होती है dry होती है. This is search engine. Write the months of the year in which season comes, and in winter you should avoid cold drinks and chilled cold water because you may get cold in this. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.